Hi, family. Hi, Kennedy kids. Ready to do fast and easy art? Today we're going to do a bird family. What are we going to use? We need rocks, we need papers, scissors if you have markers, crayons or pencils, and your glue. Okay? And you have options to do it. Look, you can use circles to make the eyes, and a rhombus or a triangle, or just make this one with your marker or your crayons or a pencils. Rocks are really good to do it. Remember, how are we going to make the circles? Look, remember, we're going to cut it, fold it, we're going to go around. Remember, move your paper, not your scissors. Move it up there. And here, when you open, you have two, and you cut in the middle. Next, you can put it, your little circles over here to make the eyes. See? And glue it. Just glue it up here. See? The other one too. Just little, not too much. See? The beak must be, look, you can fold it and cut a triangle. Look, not too big, not too little. See? And you can do it. You can cut it in half and put it over here. The little bit, that one you can color after or before you put it over here. Look, see? And after you can decorate little feathers. You can put little feathers over here, little feathers over here. Don't forget the little feet over here. And ready. And also you can use different colors. Look, another member in the family. You see? Easy and fast art. After you can put a color here. When it's ready, when it's not ready, you can put a little color, you can put little designs, a line. You can put it over everything that you want. Okay? This is fast and easy art with a bird family. Ready? Where's Ali? Again? Ali. Woo! You're here. It's time to say goodbye. See you later, alligator.